So John Mayer just made a surprise visit in Coachella in 2025 and played an amazing solo. So I'm gonna break everything down to you, but let's get right into it. So he has an amazing tone here. He's using electronic amp, which is something I use, and I'm gonna break the full solo down for you guys, and there's some really interesting stuff and concepts that I already teach in my videos that he's doing here. And by the way, I'm doing a free giveaway on Patreon. You just have to like and subscribe to the video, and I'll be asking a question. If you get it right, you'll get a free membership on my Patreon, so stick around for that. But let's get right into the video. We are in the key of D minor, and let's get through this solo. Here we go. Woo! So we're in the D minor and he's doing this thing. Right? Now here's what is important here that he's doing. He's basically doing this. But the reason why it's important that I keep saying it in all over my videos is to learn different positioning of scales. Is it's impossible to do that in position. You see what I'm saying? Because there's no hammer on. But in this position, those two notes are on the same string, so you can go. You can hammer onto that note, right? So he's doing. So now he's doing. Right? So that's. And then he does this amazing bass slide. So that bass slide is. Right? Now, I also talk about this in my videos. When you're soloing, going up the bass is really, really cool. And a lot of guitar players miss this. When they start soloing, they love just going down. But John Mayer, in a lot of his, he'll go. Right? He loves doing this bassy stuff. And it just adds so much dynamic to the solo. Alright, so he's playing around, basically repeating the same thing with a little bit of different flavors. He's going. See what I'm saying? So he's just doing the same stuff with a little bit of different flavor just to lure everybody in that the topic of this solo is this. Right? And then he'll just divert and come back. Divert and come back. Really, really cool technique to take away from the solo. By the way, if you're learning something valuable, subscribe to the channel. We're going to be coming out with really, really cool stuff this year. So then he does this. So he does this little slide. Now his mission, right? And this is why, again, positions are really important, is to get to this position to the original D, right? That we know. The pentatonic D that everybody would know, right? So he's going. He'll just slide. Something like that, right? My ear isn't perfect yet, but he's basically making his way from here to here. And that's what you want to do as guitar players, is when you're learning different shapes, is learn pathways to get from one shape to another shape. It's a really cool way to extend your solos. Ooh, so he's going. Right? Now, so this is like signature John Mayer licks and tone, and everything's right there. When I saw this video, I was pretty blown away. All right, I'm gonna ask a question, and if you answer it correctly, we're gonna choose one person and give full Patreon access to everything, which is tones, this tone, clean John Mayer tone, and a lot of cool videos. So the question is, which model guitar is he holding in his hand right now? Answer that question and you'll be qualified. We'll choose one winner next video. Off we go. So he's doing this thing and then so he ends with that thing and then he does the Eric Clapton thing. So this is the So that's, now this is where he's getting into the minor territory. So after he's going, that's that minor note. Yeah. So he's doing this. So he's doing. So now he's doing this. Now he's not playing the chord. He's playing this, the bass note and these three notes. So he's basically messing around with these three notes and the bass. And now it's easier for him because he's using a pick. With fingerstyle it takes a bit getting used to, but you get the point. And as I finish up here, now if your ear is developed, you should know that he just repeated the same thing. Right? And then he just walks down. And then he ends on this thing, right? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love you. If you like my channel, like, comment, subscribe to help us out. I love you guys so much. This was amazing to do, and I'll see you next weekend.